I ain't got the vaccine, still on the street like I don't mind getting the virus. We've been through worse, bitches third, money second, family first. Think before you speak, say how you feel, stand on it firm. I created a lane, running a game, 100 a day, no calories burnt. Mum, you ain't gotta work no more, one show's 2 times what you annually earn. Bro, you ain't gotta trap no more, it's about time that we think outside of the box. Tried working, and I applied for a job they ain't hiring, so I made ties with the boss. I'm working, right outside mumsy's house, I'm serving. Same way my bro got locked, I'm nervous. If the Jake's roll on the block, it's curtain. They ain't got nothing in common. Came in the game to bag my objective, all of the fame just came as an extra. My young boy wanna play with the presser. He don't wanna stay in his lecture. The new world order's amongst us. Look at the ads on the phone that are popping up. Really and truly I should've done fraud, but back in the day the trap was popular. She said the trap boys are tight, but she don't know what it consists of. I ain't your type if when I got clients spilling a line you're pissed off. Patience, gotta have patience. Sitting in traffic all day give me road rage. I saw a racket was love at first sight. Me and the Lizzie are soulmates. Man of the moment, I stick to the program. Put down the phone if she talking about romance. Although I'm grown, I'm still making a snowman. I got a cold heart, I can't hold hands. My life in the hood soon come to an end. Bitch, it's the end of the beginning. A lot of man pretending with the image. Said she didn't wanna let me hit, I wouldn't hit it though. Ain't nobody get me to a milli. If I'm with the guys, we don't need a bodyguard car. Ain't nobody gonna act silly.